Welcome back. We're going to write a linear equation in standard form. So when we finish, we should have form look like this. Now, we're given a slope that is 4. And we get a point -2, 7. So step 1, we're going to write in a point slope form. Then we're going to convert it into standard form. Slope is already given to us. We can put down here on a point. Remember, this is your y, this is your x. So -2 and 7. Organize. Y minus 7 for x plus 2. Distributive for x plus 8, -7, y. We want to have ax plus by equals c. That means your variable x, this has to go to the left hand side. Therefore, I'm going to minus 4x each side. Plus 7 each side. And we are done. -4x plus y equals 15. That is in standard form. Okay, let's practice one more. This time, we get 2 points. So we have to calculate our slope. -1, -5. And the second point is 3, 7. I'm going to calculate the slope. So slope is, let's write down one more time, y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 1. I'm going to use these guys as my 2's, okay? So I have 7 minus 5. And come back here again, 3 minus 1. 7 minus is 7 plus, that is 12. 3 minus 3 plus, that is 4. And I have 3. Slope is 3. Now, you have 2 choices now. You can use the first point, you can use the second point. Okay? Let's try to use the first point to write a standard form. But I want to write in point slope form first. Then I'm going to convert it to standard form. Okay? Y minus, this is my y's, equals slope x minus 1. Minus plus. Then distribute 3x plus 3, y plus 5. You want 3x go to the left side. Therefore, you're gonna minus 3x. You want your 5 go to the right hand side. You're gonna subtract 5. All right, let's write down what do we have. Plus y equals -2. I'm gonna erase what we don't need. And check your work. We're good. All right. We just use the first point. I'm going to use the next point. Okay? Same slope, different point. Y minus 7. Slope is 3x minus 3. Y minus 7. Distribute 3x minus 9. Subtract 3x each side. -3x. Y does not move, y stays here, and plus 7 each side equals -2. I'm going to circle the final solution right here, and both of them in ax plus by equals c form. We are done. Happy learning.